While exploring options, I chose, but of course, black. So hi and welcome to my channel. Today I'll start with the earrings. Okay, so I've got very beautiful earrings. I had bought them I think around 10 years ago. That is from Imagica theme park. Yes, it's been 10 years I have this earring with me. My primer, foundation. A small flashback. I started my this journey is because people were really inspired the way I always dress. जिंदगी में हार नहीं माननी चाहिए, कोशिश करते रहना चाहिए. Recently I came across a reel which said, Ferrari में सिर्फ 2 सीट होती है, but अपना बस में होती है काफ़ी. जो सबसे आगे जाता है वो सिर्फ फरारी की 2 सीट तक ही पहुंचता है. So always remember, do not stop yourself from growing. Keep growing as much as possible. जो ज़िंदगी की राह में आना होगा वो आएंगे, जिनको छूटना होगा वो छूट जाएंगे. But yes, keep remembering, don't stop your growth. And that is what I learned when I learned to live alone. The second lesson, अगर अकेले रह रहे हो अपने लिए बुरा मत मानो. In fact, see how strong you have grown. मैंने भी इसीलिए इसको अपना strength बनाया. And I love the way this strength is transforming. This is all for passion and the way I love the people who are getting influenced by me were in fact still. इसीलिए self-love, confidence and always affirm that because I am the best, that's why I have come this far. But yes, with this best aspect, do not let overconfidence ever come. Like I always teach as teacher as well to my learners, be humble. Always be humble, be polite. Let the opposite person be going through their some trouble or some issues, but you need to keep your calm. So always remember this. Coming back to video, you saw me how I had to keep on doing the filling aspect because I should have first done my eye makeup and then the resting. But it's okay. जिंदगी की राह में भी गिरकर उठना ज़रूरी है. This is how it is. Coming back to video, this is the disadvantage when you stay alone, you know. You have no one to help you. You have to figure out your way. I managed. So this is how it is. You have to keep managing and you have to keep going in your life because it's when you are alone, you learn the best of best tricks and outcomes that how you are a winner and how you can think out of the box. This is all about creativity. The more your creativity comes is when you are sitting at calm place. The tranquility touches at you. Once the tranquility is there, you feel now I know. सब ideas, best of best thing flow होगे, समझ में आएगा ज़िंदगी में क्या करना है. But yes, इतना भी नहीं सोचना कि फ्यूचर में क्या होगा, कब कैसे क्या नहीं. Like this channel as well, I just started out of no blue. I did not expect any outcome or nor do I. But yes, if I can make a difference in anyone who's going through alone diaries like me, make it your strength. That is the reason. So I just love the way I am actually motivating so many people and the way I am actually moving as well. So har bar, keep trying something new, keep trying something that you have never done in your life. Thank you for staying tuned for so far. Do try that you like, share, and definitely subscribe. You never know, it might support my motivation more to bring more content for you. Thank you again. Take care.